How to remove collaborators on Instagram post after posting. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Instagram to the latest version. Then open up Instagram on a device. Now tap on profile at the bottom right corner. Now simply scroll down. Now find the post. Now tap on the post. Now tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on edit. Now tap on the mention button. Now under collaborators, simply tap on the cross icon. Now tap on next at the top right corner. Now click on save. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.